In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Instax Mini 9 blinking light. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. One of the most common issues with the Instax Mini 9 are blinking lights. So if you look at the LEDs on your Instax Mini 9, they will represent different things, statuses, and so on. However, sometimes they might go red and they might blink or stay a stable red color like this. So in order to fix this, the proper way is going to be by resetting your camera. As you can see, this is what they have to say in the official manual. If the camera malfunctions, remove the batteries while the power is on and then reinsert them to reset the camera. So the proper procedure to reset your camera is that while it is powered on, so you have the LEDs blinking, or they are stable, just open the battery compartment and replace the batteries in there. Now, the recommendation is to use high-quality alkaline batteries. So, if possible, discard the ones that shipped with your device because usually those will go bad very quickly, and replace them with high-quality alkaline batteries. By giving them fresh, clean batteries, then this should help clear up any temporary glitches, including blinking lights on your Instax Mini 9. So this is going to be the proper procedure recommended in the official manual for the camera. If this does not work, then sadly there is not much else that you can do. You can try swapping the film as well, just to be absolutely sure. But after you swap the film and the batteries, that's basically it. If it still doesn't work, it could be a problem with the board and the circuits of the camera, and in that case, then you will sadly have to see if it is still under warranty to get a replacement. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please subscribe. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.